How to write a compelling headline, LinkedIn. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide, I'm going to show you the procedure on how can you write a compelling headline, LinkedIn. So in order to write a compelling headline, you could use a maximum 200 or 220 characters to combine your professional identities, relevant keyword, and a unique value you offer. You could also avoid generic buzzword and focus on specific quantifiable achievements to stand out or to recruiters and potential clients as well. So a powerful headline should quickly communicate who are and the problem you solve for the target audience, a popular and an effective formula. So basically what you want to do is here, if you actually want a compelling headline, you could maximize the character count. Use most of the available 220 characters to include more relevant information, and then a keyword which boosts your search visibility. Next, you could also tailor your headline to who you want to attract, whether it's recruiters, client, or a collaborator. And this characters help break up information or use a vertical space bar or bar separator, making your headline easy and to scan and read as well. So this way you can write a compelling headline. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.